If you're training 5 or 6 days a week and you still look the same, it's not your genetics, it's the way you're training. The fitness industry has sold this idea that more is always better. We need to be pushing ourselves 5 or 6 days a week. More days, more exercise, more sweat, more volume. But muscle doesn't grow in the gym, it grows when you're recovering. And if your workouts don't require recovery, they're not intense enough. And if you never allow your body time to recover, you're just breaking your body down. There are two main ways people train. High volume, which is lots of sets, lots of days, or high intensity, low volume. Fewer sets, fewer days, but taken more seriously. And most people sit in the middle, in that gray area where they train often and they don't train hard at all. And intensity doesn't mean screaming or sweating. It means pushing your sets to failure, where it literally becomes impossible to do another clean rep. One properly executed set beats 5 mediocre sets. And when you train too often without enough recovery, a few things are going to happen. Your strength is going to stall, muscles stay flat, joints start aching, and your energy slowly drops. That's why so many people say, I train all the time, but I don't look like I lift. For most people, the sweet spot is going to be 2 to 3 hard sessions a week. Each workout focused, each set intentional, each session followed by sufficient recovery. And then when you add in on top of that daily walk-in, enough protein, and the right amount of calories for your goal, suddenly your body starts to respond in a good way. Less gym time, better results. Now, if you're a beginner, you probably can handle more volume because you can't push your body to intensity yet, like full intensity. But once you learn how to train hard and train properly, more days doesn't equal more muscle. It usually just equals more fatigue. Training isn't about feeling exhausted. It's about sending a clear signal to the body and then getting out of the way. The goal isn't to live in the gym and become a gym rat. It's to build a body that looks trained, even when you're not training. If you're training all the time, but your body's not changing, try doing less, but doing it properly. Train hard, recover harder. That's actually where results come from. If you want my free workout and nutrition guide, just comment blueprint or check the link in the description to get the free workout plan. And if you want exclusive one-to-one coaching, I'll also leave my coaching sign-up form down there. If you guys found this video valuable, like, subscribe, and give me a follow on Instagram as well, @Nicholas Sofiano.